I bet you didn't know dogs could be detectives. Get ready for a tail-wagging tale that'll leave you barking for more. So it all started when I noticed my favorite socks were disappearing. One day they were there, the next, gone without a trace. I was baffled, but my dog Max was on the case. Max would sniff around, giving me those "I've got this" eyes. I decided to follow his lead. We searched high and low, under the couch, behind the fridge, even in the laundry basket. Nada. Then one day, Max started barking like crazy at the closet door. I opened it, and there it was, a small hole in the back. Max plunged in head first, and what did he pull out? My missing socks. Turns out a sneaky raccoon had been raiding our closet for its cozy new nest. Max stood there, socks in mouth, with a look that said, "Case closed. Human." I couldn't stop laughing. Who knew my dog had a knack for solving mysteries? So, next time something goes missing, just remember, sometimes the best detectives have 4 legs and a wagging tail. Thanks for watching, and give your furry friend an extra treat today. Who knows, they might just surprise you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Pawsome stories. Until next time, keep those tails wagging.